Hi guys, and welcome to Excited for Coupons. As you can see, I was able to do my haul since it was early activation, so I'm going to share with you the little items that I did get. But I want to tell you that my total would have been $90.90, but everything came out to free because I did have $18 worth of beauty rewards, and I was able to use them on my transaction, so I was able to make this haul free, and $16 in Moneymaker. The first item you do see that I purchased was a Colgate toothpaste. It would have been a Moneymaker, but for some reason it deducted just 47 cents from CVS because they wanted to make sure that it was not a Moneymaker, it was just a zero total, including the ECB. But look, hopefully in your store you do get to get a Moneymaker. I did buy one for $2.99 on special. I used a coupon from CVS I printed last week and the regular coupon. It went in fine. I got the 2 ECB, which made it just free. The other item I got was the Rimmel. The deal is if you spend $9 worth, you get back 4 ECB. I got the lip liner in my store there for $4.49. So it was a little bit different than what I share on my spreadsheet. So I bought 2 of those. The total came out to $8.98. I used 2 coupons that were available, but they're no longer available now. So I used 2 of those and it deducted $3 each. I paid $2.98, but I got back a $4 ECB, making it free. And Moneymaker. This deals for the clear roll hair color. If you buy 2, you get 6 ECB. The total price, the regular price is $8.29, but since it was early activation, once I got out and looked at my receipt, I realized that it gave it to me for 2 for $14. So I think it was still giving me the price for last week's price. So I was able to save a little bit more on this offer. So what I did was I purchased 2. It should have been around $17, but it came out to $14. I used 2 coupons deducting $3 each. So at the register I paid $8, but I got back 6 ECB. But then once I got out, I was able to submit my receipt to Ibotta, and I also selected the grocery receipt. So in total I got $5.25 from Ibotta as a cash back. So this item came out to free, and $3.25 Moneymaker. This one is for the Revlon. You do have to buy $30 to get the 10 cash card. So what I did was I purchased 2 of the lipsticks. They're for $8.49 each. You get one and the other one will be half off. So I paid $8.49 for one and $4.25 for the other. And then I got 2 of the foundations from Revlon. Those were $14.79. The one was for $7.40. So in total was $34.92. I used 2 coupons deducting $4 for the foundation and 2 coupons deducting $3 for the lipstick. In addition, I had a $2 Revlon that everybody got last week, but I also had a coupon that printed on my last receipt deducting $5 when you spend $20 on Revlon. So I was able to use those. So in the register I paid $14, but I got back a cash card of $10, making this just $4 for everything. This is an item many people talk about, and it is a good product. I really wanted to get it, but it is $15, and I wanted to wait until the ECB was a little bit higher, so I think this was the perfect time. I purchased one for $14.99, and I was able to use a coupon that I had that it deducted $3 when you spend $12 in cosmetics. So I paid $11.99 in the register, but I got back 10 ECB at the end of my receipt, making it a total of $1.99. But for that, as you can see in the picture, I had a 6 beauty rewards ECB, so I used that as well to pay for my transaction, which made this free and Moneymaker. Because remember, those beauty rewards is extra money that you're getting that is not coming. It's not money that is coming out of your pocket. So you are really saving when you're buying, especially in beauty products. So as you can see, everything would have been almost $91, and it came out to free. And Moneymaker, $16 in Moneymaker. But like I shared in the beginning, that was because I had $18 worth of beauty rewards, and even after doing some of these transactions, there was different rewards that I received that it was in the end of my receipt. So I hope that this video was helpful. There was other items I was not able to get because in the store that they let me know that the ECBs were not printing, so I had to wait till tomorrow to do some of those other deals. But this is the one I was able to do, and I wanted to share with you so you could see that there's many good deals out there, and it's good for you to take advantage of them if you can. And I hope that it was easy enough for you to understand it if you're starting to do couponing. So if you did like the video, you could give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. So thank you so much for watching, and until the next video, bye.